Hi, I'm Brent Hamilton, General Manager of Sales and Leasing for Bayview Kenworth. I'm happy to announce today that we are delivering our first Canadian-built T680 Kenworth tractor. Kenworth has always built their medium-duty trucks in Canada in a factory in Sainte-Thérèse, Quebec, just north of Montreal. So we're very happy that this is our very first Canadian-built Kenworth in Eastern Canada. This is a big deal for us because it eliminates the risk of tariffs. And with everything going on in the world, we need to build Canadian first.